Hello Kamath learners! Welcome sa ating YouTube channel, Learn Math Beach. Our topic for this week's video is all about the derivation of quadratic formula. Paano yung standard form, which is yung ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 ay naging x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Maraming paraan kung paano na derive, pero ang gagawin natin ngayon is completing the square technique. So if you haven't watched our video about how to solve quadratic equations by completing the square, I will give the link on the description box below. Pero patapusin mo muna itong video na to, okay? So step 1 guys, transpose the constant term which is yung c to the other side of the equation. So ax squared plus bx equals negative c. Negative c kasi, yung positive pag nilipat sa kabila, negative. Step 2, divide the entire equation by the coefficient of x squared. That is yung letter A. So, makakancel yung A at A. So, magiging x squared plus b over ax equals negative c over A. Okay, step 3, completing the square. Alam natin ang rules tungkol dyan. Again, meron tayong full video tutorial tungkol sa solving quadratic equations by completing the square. Pwede mong panoorin ito mamaya. Pero basically, ang gagawin lang natin, i-divide natin ng middle term divided by 2 and then a squared natin siya. So sa ating case, ang ating middle term is b over a. I-divide natin siya by 2 and then squared. So ang gagawin natin, b over a over 2 squared. Ibig sabihin yan, b over a divided by 2 tapos squared. So ang reciprocal ng 2 ay 1/2. So b over a times 1/2 squared equals b over 2a squared. Ang big sabihin ng b over 2a squared is b times b equals b squared. 2a times 2a equals 4a squared. So ang ating i-add sa both sides of the equation is b squared over 4a squared. So ganun lang guys, mag-completing the square. Ang ating middle term is b over a. Kinalahati natin siya, naging b over 2a. Tapos in-squared natin siya, kaya naging b squared over 4a squared. At yun yung in-add natin sa both sides of the equation. Okay, step 4 tayo guys. Combine or add the right side of the equation. So ang gagawin natin, i-add natin ang negative c over a plus b squared over 4a squared. Para ma-add natin ang negative c over a plus b squared over 4a squared, dapat meron silang common denominator. Ang LCD nila is 4a squared. Therefore, we multiply negative c over a times 4a over 4a. Ang sagot, 4a times negative c is negative 4ac. 4a times a is 4a squared. At dahil meron na silang same denominator, pwede na natin silang i-add. Kaya negative 4ac over 4a squared plus b squared over 4a squared is b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. Nirearrange lang natin yung numerator. Okay, step 5 tayo guys. Factor the left side of the equation. Ifa-factoring natin ang x squared plus b over ax plus b squared over 4a squared. This is a perfect trinomial, kaya madali siyang i-factoring. Ang factor ng x squared is x times x. So meron tayong technique pag factoring ng perfect trinomial. Kung ano ang sign ng middle term, yun din ang sign ng factors natin. And then, yung middle term natin, i-divide lang natin sa 2. So, b over a divided by 2 is b over 2a. Kaya ang factors natin is x plus b over 2a times x plus b over 2a. And pwede natin siyang i-rewrite as x plus b over 2a raised to 2 or squared. Okay, step 6 tayo, subtracting square roots on both sides of the equation. Ginagawa natin ito para makancel natin ang exponent at yung matira lang sa kabila ay yung x. So, x plus b over 2a squared is square root natin, makakancel yung 2 tsaka yung index ng square root. Kasi kahit invisible yung index ng ating square root, number 2 yun, kaya cancel. Kaya ang matitira na lang sa kaliwa, left side of the equation is x plus b over 2a. How about the right side of the equation? Sa ang ating numerator ay hindi na pwedeng ma-simplify. Ang pwede lang nating ma-square root o ma-simplify ay yung nasa baba. Kasi alam natin na ang factors ng 4a squared is 2a times 2a or 2a raised to 2. Kaya the square root of 2a raised to 2, makakancel ang exponent and then yung index. Kaya matitira na lang sa kanan is plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Dito na tayo sa ating last step. Step number 7, isolate x. So meron tayo kaninang natira na x plus b over 2a equals plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Kaya ang gagawin lang natin yung b over 2a, ililipat lang natin sa kabila. Transposition, so yung positive b over 2a kapag nilipat, magiging negative b over 2a. So x equals negative b over 2a plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So pwede natin i-simplify, pagsamahin na lang natin sa isang denominator which results into our quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Again, sa sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, marami pang ibang techniques kung paano mag-derive ng quadratic formula. Isang paraan lang ito, yung tinuro ko sa inyo. Meron ding video dito, pero hindi ito sa akin. Meron siyang kanta about sa quadratic formula. Para ma-memorize mo, I will give the link na lang on the description box below. Malay mo, makatulong para ma-memorize mo yung quadratic formula. So, pakiabangan mo next week kung paano tayo mag-solve ng quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Ito guys, derivation lang ito ng quadratic formula. Kung paano tayo from ax squared plus bx plus equals 0, naging x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, so maraming salamat sa panood ng video nito. Kung nakatulong sa iyo, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Learn Math Page. At huwag mo rin kalimutan na i-turn on ang notification bell para wala kayong ma-miss na kahit anumang exciting na ating ma-uploads. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel because in our channel, you will find and learn a simple and clear explanation to math lessons and ideas in Tagalog. And also, step-by-step solution to math problems para ma-improve mo rin ang iyong problem-solving skills and analytical thinking skills. Hindi lang ngayon, kundi pati na rin sa hinaharap. Kaya laging tanda ng ating outro message, every problem there is and there's always has a solution. So love lots, keep smiling, and keep learning. Bye! See you in our next video!